Superbalist is South Africa's #1 fashion e-commerce retailer. We're a billion-rand company supporting millions of users, mostly on mobile devices. We've been running since 2012. The challenge that we faced was really dominating the SEO landscape. Within a 2-year span, we were #1 in all categories. We saw incredible growth. Our famous yearly cadence is that we always reach #1 result for Black Friday. Not Black Friday clothing, just Black Friday in South Africa. So we really are proud of our efforts with the team, and we're really grateful for the team to get us all the way this far. And we have really enjoyed working with the team. Over the years, we've had different interfaces with Infidigit, different account managers, but we've never felt abandoned. Really, it's been quite remarkable, and we love just being part of something really big and something really valuable that we've built together for almost 7 years.